Good morning, all of you. And in today's class, Business Studies, I'm going to explain you chapter 1. And in continuation of the chapter, today's topic is trade. As I explained you, business activities are classified basically in two categories. One is industry, another is commerce. Then commerce is classified in two categories, trade and auxiliaries to trade. So our today's topic is trade, and I will show you through PPT. So children, see, trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods which involve the exchange of commodities for money or money's worth. See again, what is trade? Trade means buying and selling of goods or commodities which involve the exchange of commodities for money or money's worth. Means exchange of commodity is known as trade, which involves money. Then types of trade. Children, look, types of trade: home trade, foreign trade, internal trade, external trade, domestic trade, international trade. So my dear children, trade classified in two categories. Domestic trade means internal trade, means trade within the boundaries of the country, and foreign trade means external trade, or the trade crosses the boundaries of the country, which is known as international trade. So domestic trade means internal trade, foreign trade means external trade or international trade. Now see, giving you very good example, types of trade. Types of trade. Home trade. It is also known as domestic trade or internal trade. Buying and selling of goods within the country, and both the buyer and seller should belong to the same nation, like buyer of Kota, seller of Mumbai, buyer of Jaipur, seller of Kochi, but both belong to the same country. That's why it is known as domestic trade or internal trade. Buying and selling of goods within the country, both should belong to the same nation. Now, home trade or domestic trade classified in two parts, wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade, buying and selling in large quantity, in bulk quantity. A wholesaler buys goods directly from the producers and sell them to the retailer. Then retail trade, buying and selling of goods in small quantities. A retail trader buys goods from the wholesalers and sell them to the customers. Now, see, I will tell you about the trade. Look at the board and you will be able to understand. See, trade classified in two parts. Classified in two parts. First is Himang Tuteja. Off your audio, please. Himang Tuteja. Himang Tuteja, off your video, please. Now trade. Trade is domestic and foreign. Domestic trade means internal trade. If trade crosses the boundaries of the country, that is foreign trade. But if trade occurs within the boundaries of the country, that is domestic, internal. Okay? Or home, another name, home, internal, domestic. It is of two types. Wholesale, retail. Wholesale, retail. See, my dear children, trade is the branch of commerce. Okay, then trade classified in two categories: domestic, foreign. Domestic trade is also known as home trade, internal trade. Internal trade means the trade performed, buying and selling performed within the country, and buyer and seller belong to the same nation. Example, buyer of Kota, seller of Mumbai. Okay, now it is classified in two categories: wholesaler, retailer. Wholesalers are the link between producer and retailers. Producer and retailer means they buy the goods from the producers in bulk quantity and sell them to retailers in a small quantity. Now retail trade. Yes, retailers are the link between wholesalers and customers. Wholesalers and customers means they purchase goods from the wholesalers and sell to the customers according to their requirement. So, see, again, types of trade. Home trade, foreign trade. Home trade means domestic trade, internal trade, or the trade performed within the same country, or buyer and seller belong to the same nation. Then it is of two types: wholesale, retail. Wholesale trade, buying and selling in large quantity. Wholesaler purchase goods from the producers and sell them to retailers. They are the link between producers and retailers. PR, producers and retailers. They purchase goods directly from the producers in bulk quantity and sell to retailers in small quantity. They work as a link between producers and retailers. They provide facilities to producers as well as to retailers. They help to producers by purchasing in bulk quantity, and they provide facilities to retailers to sell them on credit basis or according to their requirements. Yes, cold drinks, washing powders, soap, these things, toothpaste, generally these things are sold through wholesalers and then to retailers. It is not possible for every producer to go to the every retailer or to the doorstep of the customer. That's why wholesalers are the link, necessary link. Okay. Then next, retail trade. Buying and selling of goods in small quantity. Generally, retailers buy goods from the wholesalers, sell them to customers. That's why they are the link between WC, wholesalers and customers. They perform various facilities and various work for wholesalers like sales promotion activities performed by retailers. Okay, and they give various facilities to customers also by giving information of new product. And giving facilities generally for long hours. See, in your colonies, general stores or in some other places, these stores are the example of retail trade. Sarthak saying, please don't do it. Sarthak saying, please don't do it. You are spoiling my screen. Then types of trade. See, these are the types of home trade. Wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade and retail trade. Now foreign trade. See, foreign trade. Foreign trade is also known as international trade, external trade. Okay. When the trade crosses boundaries of the country. Trade between two countries or more than two countries, it is known as foreign trade. Export, import, entreport. Okay. Now see, foreign trade means the trade crosses the boundaries of the country. Yes, it is also known as external trade, international trade. It involves the buying and selling of goods and services in between the persons belonging to two or more countries. It is also known as external trade or international trade. It involves the buying and selling of goods and services between the persons belonging to two or more countries. Buyer of China, seller of India, they are dealing. This is known as foreign trade. This is known as external trade or international trade. They are using different currencies because the trade is crosses the boundaries of the country. That's why it is known as external trade. And why international? Because different nations are doing the trade. Now export. Sale of goods to foreign countries. India is selling spices, jute, sugarcane to China, to Japan. This is known as export. Okay. Then import. Purchase of goods from foreign countries. Rafael purchased from USA or India purchased some automobiles from Germany or from Japan. These are known as import. When one country buy the goods from another country, this is known as import. Then entrepot. My dear children, look at the board. Entrepot. This is new term for you. Entrepot means import goods from one country for the purpose of exporting them to some other country. It is known as entrepot. Purchase goods from England, buy India and sell it to China. Here one country plays the role of mediator. Entrepot, import from one country for the purpose to export to some other country. It works as a link between two or more than two nations. See, many times a country is unable to deal with the other countries. So what they do, they just keep one country as a mediator. And first they purchase, then mediator country purchase, then mediator country sell to another country. Okay, like Nepal. If they don't have any seashores, what they have to do? First, India import for them, then again India export these goods to Nepal. Simple. So import from one country for the purpose of export them to some other country. See the slide. Home trade, wholesale, retail. Wholesale means in bulk quantity, retail means in small quantities. Then foreign trade. Foreign trade is classified in three types. Foreign trade means the trade crosses the boundaries of the country. That is why it is known as export, import, entrepot. Export means sell to other country. Import means purchase from other country. And entrepot means purchase from one country to sell it to another country. This is the summary of our today's topic. This is trade. Trade is one branch of commerce. See, if you don't know the complete table, I give you the example. This is commerce. First was industry, second was trade. Okay. Commerce classified in two parts, trade and auxiliaries to trade. So our today's topic, I am giving you summary again. See, this is trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods, which involves the exchange of commodities for money. There are two types of trade, home trade, foreign trade. Home trade is also known as domestic trade or internal trade when exchanged within the countries and buyer and seller belong to the same nation. Then home trade is classified in two parts, wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale and retail. Then wholesale trade means buying in and selling in large quantity, work as a link between producers and retailers. Then retail trade means selling and buying in a small quantity. Generally, they sell one by one to the customers. They link between wholesalers and customers. Then foreign trade, it is also known as external trade or international trade. It involves the buying and selling of goods in between the person who belong to the different countries, then export, sell to foreign countries, import, purchase from foreign countries, entrepot, purchase from one country for the purpose of exporting them to some other country. This is the type of trade. Home trade, foreign trade. Home trade in two parts, wholesale and retail. And foreign trade is also classified in three parts, export, import, and export. So our today's topic was trade. Trade classified in two categories, domestic and foreign. Domestic is also known as home or internal. It is of two types, wholesale and retail. Wholesale means buying and selling in bulk quantity, link between producers and consumers, producers and retailers. And foreign trade, retail means wholesalers and consumers. They work as a link. Then foreign trade means external trade, international trade. It is of three types, export, import, and support. I'm sure you must understood.